Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing the heat with a popular favorite, Buffalo Wild Wings. We'll show you how to cook these delicious, restaurant-style wings, right at home. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your wing skills. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes. Now, let's get started. Here's what you'll need to cook these mouth-watering Buffalo Wild Wings. 2 pounds of chicken wings. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 cup of buffalo wing sauce, store-bought or homemade. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Vegetable oil for frying. Let's start cooking. In a large bowl, mix the flour, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Toss the chicken wings in the mixture until they're evenly coated. Place the coated wings on a baking sheet and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare the blue cheese dipping sauce. In a medium bowl, combine blue cheese crumbles, sour cream, mayonnaise, white vinegar, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix well and refrigerate until ready to serve. Heat the vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large saucepan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Fry the wings in batches for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden and crispy. Then drain on paper towels. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Stir in the buffalo wing sauce and heat until warm. Toss the fried wings in the sauce until fully coated. Serve your homemade Buffalo Wild Wings with the blue cheese dipping sauce and your favorite sides, like celery and carrot sticks. Enjoy! And that's how you make restaurant-style Buffalo Wild Wings at home. You'll never need to order takeout again. If you are interested in a healthier version of Buffalo Wild Wings, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next video.